Hello YouTube, doing a video here, my Kirby Avalir. Kind of want to start something, so I have this scale, so I already measured the original weight of the bag, which is 49.12. I think what I'm going to start doing with my videos is like I'm going to do my usual vacuuming, but I also start showing what in grams what it picks up. So like I'm going to weigh the bag after I'm done vacuuming, and then I'll put how many grams it picks up in the description below. So yeah, that'll certainly be interesting. Let's go. So there we go. So I'll put the grams. Well, yeah, I think I guess I could try. Let me unhook the belt from the shaft first. I might try and go for weighing the bag right now. But still, it's I will put it the grams it picked up in the description below. It has a brand new bag in it. So let's see what it gets up. Do I expect it to be much? That'll be interesting. Hang on a second. Sorry about that. Let's see. Now we turn the scale on. As soon as you get this on there. Let's get the bag on there and weigh it. Ooh. Oh, we definitely got some junk in there. So, I'm just gonna weigh it like that. Maybe push it up just a little further. So we're getting 58.87, it looks like. That's... And it's still making up its mind of what the bag weighs, I see. So... 58 point... What is it? I'm just going to say 58.80 minus 49.12, and we get, if I see it right, we picked up about 9.68 grams of junk this time. So, not bad for this 2015 Avalir. Managed to get, I do not put the disposable bag back inside. I use one disposable bag at a time because, you know, I have too many Kirby's to be doing that with, and over time these bags will go bad. So even if they're not being used, I feel even if they have crud in them, so I use one at a time, fill it up faster, and then, you know, so I leave my Kirby's like this most of the time. So 99.68 grams. So not bad for a start. So that's definitely quite a bit. So whenever I show up with vacuumings on here, I'll try and do this grams thing for you guys so that you know, you can see what the bag weighs or what crud we picked up. So like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.